Don't forget to subscribe my channel and please hit the bell icon next to it so that you will always get notified when I upload any video and never miss it. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Mystic Magic. So today I am going to create blue and pink party eye makeup look. So if you want to see how I create this look, then keep on watching. But before I start my video, if you haven't subscribed my channel till now, then please subscribe it. So without wasting any time, let's get started.
The future leaves us behind. The fire will burn and never die. Looking through the eyes of a brand new life. So just find me, just find me. Sparks will fly if we scream no. This is not how we're gonna go. We are the ones who'll never let go. Just watch us run to where no one knows. We'll never grow. We'll never grow. Don't look back, we're here to stay. A life we knew would come one day. And this is it, the borderline to where the future leaves us behind. The fire will burn and never die. Looking through the eyes of a brand new life. And so just find me, just find me. Sparks will fly if we scream no. This is not how we're gonna go. We are the ones who will never let go. Just watch us run to where no one knows. We'll never grow. We'll never grow. We'll never
So that's all. This is my final look. So hope you like my video, and if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you have any question, do let me know in the comment box below. So thank you for watching. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.